Hello class, we are going to continue to learn about Canada's Northern Territories. So last time we learned about the Northwest Territories, and just a little recap, Hudson Bay Company sold Canada the land, which became Manitoba and the Northwest Territories. So we're going to pick up from there and learn about Nunavut. So Nunavut entered Confederation, or officially joined Canada, April 1st, 1999. And a census that was taken in 2017. So remember, a census is a time that the government collects information. It was recorded that the population is at 38,243. Nunavut split from the Northwest Territories. This was important because it allowed the Inuit people to be a majority. This meant they were able to speak their language, practice their culture, and represent themselves, which is known as self-governing. Now, different Indigenous tribes and groups all have their own languages. However, when colonizers came overseas and landed here, English and French dominated and soon became the official languages. English and French are the official languages of Canada. And so that means that services are always going to be provided in English or French. However, when Nunavut was created, this allowed the Inuit language to be the official language. The official language of Inuit people is Inuktitut. However, we're going to learn more about the Inuit culture and language later on, so I'll leave it there for now. Now getting into the physical features of Nunavut. So Nunavut is Canadian tundra. That means it is bare and rocky. It has many lakes and rivers, and again, like we learned about with the Northwest Territories, there's what's called permafrost, so where most of the ground is permanently frozen. Now, moving on to the natural resources, remember to pick out 3 and write a sentence for each. Oil exploration began throughout parts of the Arctic in the 1950s and 60s. From the early 1990s, light crude oil was being exported. In 2016, a search for offshore oil and gas began, so in the water. However, many people believe this would harm the marine life. In December of 2016, the government issued a ban on all oil and gas drilling in the Arctic waters. Mineral mining and development in Nunavut has been difficult. However, several successful mines have been opened in the territory. Gold, lead, zinc, nickel, copper, and platinum have all been mined at some point. Mines often raise environmental concerns such as loss of habitat for native animals, but they also have the potential to provide hundreds of jobs to Inuit, as well as resources for the territorial government. Harvesting animals provides country food to supplement diets, but also fur, skin, and bones are used for clothing, tools, games, and art. Nunavut has established commercial char, shrimp, and turbot fisheries, and anticipates that the fisheries will play an important role in the economy in the future as it continues to grow. Lastly, Inuit arts and crafts are important to Nunavut's economy as well as its culture. While Nunavut is known for carvings of stone, bone, and ivory, and the printmaking that occurs in many communities, the territory's artists also produce weavings, clothing, jewelry, metalworks, and large-scale drawings. So that is all I have to share with you guys today. Remember to fill in your sheet. If you need to pause or play back certain parts, take your time and either show me or Mrs. Zuchkin your finished note page or post a photo of it on Seesaw for those at home. And I hope you guys have a good day. Bye.